This is a sandalwood and amber soap, and I'm excited to figure out what's underneath here. So we're gonna give it a cut. And we're gonna pick some out of the middle here. This almost looks like a paint drop, but there is some swirl in there as well. And it's my sandalwood and amber fragrance. Isn't that pretty? Can we see that? Yeah. I'm excited about these. The sandalwood and amber scent is just totally amazing. I'm just going to fast forward through these so you guys can see every one of them. This is another batch that I did with different colors, and I forgot to put the fragrance in them. That's why I made that other batch. And I really wanted more of the reds and the blues, but these are kind of cool too. They just don't have any scent in them. So if you'd like a really interesting bar of soap to use that's great on your skin, and you don't want the fragrance, I have those available as well.